Kenya Wildlife Service is using many technologies to conserve wildlife. Some of them are the following. One, we are using camera traps to identify species which occur within forested ecosystems, especially the rhinos and the bush antelopes. Camera traps are also used within the forested ecosystems, and they have helped us, Kenya Wildlife Service, to identify new species of wildlife which utilize the forested ecosystems. Also, we are using satellite-linked GPS collars to monitor the movement patterns of elephants, buffaloes, wildebeest, zebras. And this information also assists us to know exactly where these animals are during the dry and wet season. And this information is used to map the corridors where these animals pass in different periods of the year. And this information is being provided to other agencies which are developing infrastructure within our protected areas or within areas which have high intensity of wildlife. A very good example is the establishment of wildlife corridors within the standard gauge railway within the Tsavo ecosystem. Most of the information which is downloaded by using the satellite-linked GPS collars is downloaded on our Google Earth platform. And this enables us to be in a position of identifying the specific location of the target species vis-a-vis the names of the areas where these animals are being located by the satellite-linked GPS collars. And it is very important to have this information because it can give an indication, or when we are sending teams on the ground to respond to the cases, it helps us to get to know exactly where do we send these teams to. Kenya Wildlife Service is also using airplanes to do aerial patrols, and these airplanes are fitted with the GPSs, which enable Kenya Wildlife Service to map the distribution of wildlife within the protected areas. Also, we are using night vision goggles to do patrols at night and spot poachers or illegal activities within protected areas at night. The night vision goggles are just like binoculars. It's only that the binoculars can only see during the day, but because of the use of the infrared, the night vision goggles are able to detect or see humans at night. We are also using electric fences within our protected areas to mitigate human-wildlife conflict or to separate humans from wildlife. Kenya Wildlife Service is also using the GeoNetcast toolkit, which is sort of toolkit which enables KWS to get raster information on bioclimatic data within the protected areas. And this bioclimatic data is used for modeling habitat suitability and also modeling wildlife dispersal areas at different periods of the year. So in future, as modern technology emerges, the use of drones is becoming a bit more popular, and we plan to use the drones in future to do the normal security patrols within our protected areas, and also to help us do aerial surveys within our protected areas.